Hi guys, welcome back to SRE Customs. I just got done cutting this cylinder. Okay, the port timings that I used are the same as the Monster 45 series that I do. And there's a look at the exhaust. You can see how one side is more prominent than the other. That's because I'm not turning the piston around on this one, so I need to leave area there for the ring gap. Normally I cut it out like that, but like that side, but I have to leave a little less there for that. But the height and the top arc is the same as my Monster series. Okay, now transfer area. You can see, first of all, I arced the transfers, what I do every time. You can see how much of a ledge there is there. I'm just about through the cylinder. You gotta know when to say when. Then I added 3 more ports. One right through the center, V'd the bottom, normal boost port or third transfer port. Then I added these additional transfer ports and hooked them on the top for more surface area. So now this is a true 5-port engine, which I know these, sorry guys, I know these aren't as deep as, of course, these main transfers, but they're still going to carry a lot more volume. So I just thought you guys would want to check that out. Got the cases done for him. They're all cut out. So this is his head. Made the bolts. Got them all done, cut out. Now I got it set right now with a 45 thousandths compressed base gasket. That's with it compressed. The squish is 12 thousandths. That's getting after it pretty good. I might even bring it down to 10 because I normally wouldn't be able to get after it as much as this, but Kyle's got a lot on the ball. He's a good tuner, and he's not scared to take something apart, work on it if it needs it. So this is the kind of guy I can do this kind of stuff with. There's other guys out there that, you know, they want to get the engine. They never want to have to touch it. They want to just start it and drive it, and that's fine too. But I still got to modify his piston and go from there. So I got another one in the house. This is for a gentleman by the first name of Steve. He's on deck here. You can see how kind of the flow goes here on my messy table. He's next in line with Doug. Doug, this is your you know, bottom end. Your cylinder's already ported, piston ported, and I'll be starting that on in the show and tell as I go. Let's give you an update on the 71. The 71 is right here, this one. Oh, and David received his reeded 71, and he has put up a little teeny rip clip. He got it today and installed it today, so he was able to just run it in his trailer park quick. He told me, I haven't jumped on and looked at the footage yet. He's running 2647 gears with 195 tires, and he says it's instantaneous throttle response. So I'm looking forward to checking that out. He didn't get a chance to really jump on it. You know, it's still breaking it in and everything. So no tune on it yet, just the tune that I had on it. He just took it out and ripped it. So go and check that out on the SRE Customs Facebook page if you want to look at that rip clip. Okay, guys, this is Wade from SRE, and I'm out.